Good morning. Welcome to dear channel. Welcome to Ravi Tuition's online classes. I hope you have enjoyed the holidays, Dasara holidays. Good morning, Anika. So, after 3 days, again I have started my online classes. So, we stopped area related to circle at one point. Now we have to do question number 7. So, question number 7, I have my textbook also with me, and I hope you are sitting in front of the classes with your textbooks. So, the chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeters. So, here so there is a circle. I will just draw. There is a circle. Okay, I am not drawing beautifully. I am drawing just a chord of circle 12. Say this is a 12 AB, and subtend an angle at 120 degrees. Okay. So, and find the area of the corresponding segment. That means we have to find out this. I will draw a picture here so that you will understand the same circle, and this is this segment is we have to find out. Now, if you say this is radius is how much? 12 centimeters. Okay, and chord, sorry, this is not this is chord, because this is 120 degrees. Okay, 120 degrees. $120. I'll rub this. If I rub. So, if I draw a perpendicular, let us say this is O, A, B. If I draw perpendicular, this angle will be 60 degrees and this angle will be 60 degrees. Okay. So, this is x centimeters, this is x centimeters. In isosceles triangle, if you draw a perpendicular, this chord base is getting bisected, and also the vertical angle get bisected. You have learned in class 9, you can write that statement, and you can write OAB is an isosceles triangle, OD is perpendicular, our construction. Perpendicular divides the vertical angle, 120 degrees will bisect the angle 60 and 60, and also perpendicular bisects the base. So, we do not know the base, because why I have written base is needed. Okay, base is needed to find the area of the triangle. So, we have to find out the area of the triangle, otherwise you won't be getting this. So, now here you have to apply trigonometry, right? This is height also we have to find out, and this is 30 degrees. Okay, if it is 60, this is 30, because it is this ODA and ODB are right angle triangles. So, we want height and we want also x. Okay, so h by 12, opposite side by hypotenuse, which is equal to sine 30 degrees. Trigonometry you have to apply. So h is equal to 12 into sine 30 is half, which is equal to 6 centimeters. So h is equal to 6 centimeters. Height is equal to 6 centimeters. Now we got height, and we should get base also. So then x by 12, it is adjacent side by hypotenuse, which is equal to cos 30 degrees. So x is equal to 12 into cos 30 degrees, 12 into, yeah, get change. Exams are, ఏ ఎగ్జామ్ ఉంది వేళ సబ్జెక్ట్ చదువుకుంటావా? Cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it is root 3 by 2, this is 6 root 3. Okay. So we have got x. Now area of triangle is equal to area of triangle OAB is equal to half into AB into OD. So AB is x is equal to, we got 6 root 3, it is 12 root 3. 12 root 3 into height is 6. Okay. So 6 times 36 root 3. Now we want the area of sector also, because this is triangle and sector is needed. Area of sector is equal to sector OAPB, let us say. Okay, so 120 degrees by 360 into pi, r square is how much? 12 square. So this 123 times. Okay, so 12 square is 144 by 3 pi. Okay, 4 3 12, 48 pi square centimeters. So now area of segment is equal to area of sector minus area of a triangle OAB. So area of sector is how much? 48 pi minus 36 root 3. Okay. You can put direct formula also. Direct formula comes like this only. Okay. You can put direct formula, there is no problem. I did not write pi value. He has given pi is equal to 3.14. Finally, you can put the value 48 into 3.14. Root 3 is 1.732, 36 and 1.732, multiply and subtract. You will be getting the answer. Okay. So sometimes formulas may mislead you. If you just miss out any one step, any one mistake, then whole problem will go. It's fine, no problem. So this is a typical special question where trigonometry is involved. Okay. So remaining questions are very simple, right? All the remaining questions are very simple, direct questions. Okay. So again I will just give you a brief understanding. 120 degrees, OAB is always isosceles triangle. OAB is always isosceles triangle. Okay. So because radius. So if it is at vertical angle is 60 degrees, then OAB will become equilateral triangle like in the previous question. If it is 120 degrees, this is the problem. If it is 90 degrees, again you don't need to find out. Already 90 degrees problem already we have done. Okay, half base into height, half product of radius you can take. So 120 degrees. So here you have to make a note that the perpendicular bisects the vertical angle and also base. So that will give this type. Okay. So then is it needed to draw the diagram? Better if you draw the diagram, you won't go out of the way, and you will get a clear picture what to do, what not to do. Okay. Yes, same formula. Both are same. You have to do entire process in one step. That's fine. So मेरा steps में क्या है, एक आ जाएंगे. So this is part A, and this is part B, and this is part means step. This is part C, and this is one more part. Okay, this is. So first step number 1, step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. So they will divide the marks like this only. Okay. So this is for this because you have got height and base. For this some marks will be there. Triangle area, for this some marks will be there, and for this some marks will be there. For this some marks will be there. When paper evaluation is going on, they will divide the marks accordingly. Okay. So anyhow बीच में कुछ फार्मूला में गड़बड़ है, नहीं तो वैल्यूज रॉन्ग डाला, then that problem has chance of getting less marks. अभी इसमें ये प्रॉब्लम में छोटा मिस्टेक्स है तो भी चलता है. So anyhow you can as per your convenience you can do any way. Okay. So then let us go to the next question. Okay. This is also an important question, harsh question, very important question. You have done it in 8th class, and again you are going to do it in 10th class. Okay. So horse is tied at one corner, horse is tied to one corner with some rope. Okay. And square shaped. The lawn is square shaped. So that means all angles are 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Okay. All angles are 90 degrees. Okay. Because it is a square. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. Right. And shaped side 15 centimeters. Square corner grass field of side 15 centimeters, 15 meters, sorry. This is 15, 15 and 15 etc. Okay. And then 5 meters rope. This rope is tied. This is the rope. Okay. So horse can sweep only along with the rope. Maximum distance that horse can go from this corner is only 5 meters. Okay, this is also 5 meters, or this is also 5 meters. So horse can go and graze only maximum of 5 meters because rope is tied. So then what happened? A sector is formed. A sector with angle 90 degrees. That means it is a quadrant. You can have any. So anyway, okay. So this is a quadrant or a sector. Quadrant means 1/4 pi r square you can write. If you are using a sector formula, that is 90 by 360 into pi r square. दोनों लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है. So अभी find the area of that part field which horse can graze. That means पहला क्वेश्चन में ये shaded region का आंसर फाइंड आउट करना है. Shaded region. Okay. So this is nothing but area of quadrant. Let us find out area of the field that horse can graze is equal to area of a quadrant. I am writing directly quadrant. So 1/4 pi r square. So 1/4 into, use 3.14. 3.14 into radius is 5. 5 into 5. You will be getting some answer, square meters, because 5 meters is given. So first question you do this, you will be getting a first question answer. Second question, the increase in the grazing area if the rope is 10 meters long. अभी 5 meters है तो इतना ही तक हॉर्स जा सकती है. अभी इसको 10 meters करेंगे तो इधर तक आ सकती है, इधर. ओके, इधर तक आके ऐसा इधर तक आ सकती है, राइट. रोप का लेंथ बढ़ाएंगे तो इंक्रीज करेंगे तो कितना इंक्रीज होता है उतना तक वो जाएंगे. ठीक है. सो नाउ हाउ मच द इंक्रीज, आई विल गिव दिस वन. हॉरिजॉन्टल शेडिंग को फाइंड आउट करना है. The increase in the grass, that means this horizontal shading you have to find out. So then horizontal shading, how you will be getting it? So there are two sectors now. Two sectors. Sector with radius 5 meters, that is first one, already hum किया. The sector with radius 10 meters, two sectors, let us say R1 and R2. सेक्टर R2 वाला क्या है, रोप का लेंथ इंक्रीज करने के बाद जो भी आता है वो. ओके, सो देन हम ये शेडेड रीजन बीच में का जो एरिया कैसा आएंगे, बड़ा सेक्टर में से ये छोटा सेक्टर एरिया निकालेंगे तो आ जाएंगे, राइट. बड़ा सेक्टर. सो सेकंड वन कैसा आएंगे, बिग सेक्टर माइनस स्मॉल सेक्टर. स्मॉल सेक्टर इधर के x तो आ गया है. ओके, सो बिग सेक्टर सेम y आएंगे, y माइनस x विच इज इक्वल टू z इज द आंसर. ये y कैसा आएंगे, y इज इक्वल टू, y मीन्स एरिया ऑफ बिगर सेक्टर. ओके, because I am leaving the calculation for you, I am just explaining it. So बड़ा सेक्टर का रेडियस कितना होता है, 90 डिग्रीज, 90 by 360, पाई इज 3.14, रेडियस इज 10. ओके, so then 10 square, so this is 1/4 into 100, two decimal places will go 314, so this is y. सिंप्लीफाई करके इधर जो भी आंसर आता है वो आंसर इधर लिखना है. देन ये दोनों. सो दिस इज अंडरस्टैंडिंग, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. ओके, आई डोंट नो, माय मोबाइल इज नॉट कमिंग. अंश, Anna, I don't know which problem you want me to explain. You have written, explain it again. Okay, so this is what is 8th question, very very important question. ये question 99.9% बोर्ड एग्जाम्स में आने के लिए चांसेस है. ठीक है. सो नेक्स्ट, लेट मी सेव दिस. ओके, क्लीन. This is one more important question. That means थोड़ा application based है ये, application based. So 8th question, right? इसमें से a brooch, this is a diagram made with silver wire, okay, and in the form of a circle with diameter 35. The wire is also used to make 5 diameters. So इसको मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा. देखो, ये सिल्वर वायर है. टोटल हाउ मेनी डायमीटर्स? 1 2 3 4 5 diameters. That means 5 sticks are needed. So what he asked, find the total length of the silver. So first part, 5 diameters length is needed. So 5 into diameter. Okay, diameter है कि नहीं कि प्रॉब्लम अंडरस्टैंड करेंगे तो आपको पता चलता है. So this is 5 diameters and then total length. Even ये भी चाहिए, this circumference भी चाहिए. So 5 diameters plus 1 circumference will be the total length of the silver wire required. Okay, 5 diameters plus circumference is equal to the total length of the wire needed. That is the first question. So circumference का क्या चाहिए आपको? रेडियस चाहिए. So already diameter is 35 mm. So उसमें रेडियस क्या होता है? 2r. Okay, 2r 35 डाल सकते. So circumference is equal to pi d लिख सकते हैं, नहीं तो 2 pi r भी लिख सकते हैं. ठीक है. My mobile is not coming signals. Is it on? My lecture is on. Can anybody reply? Anika, please reply. Am I on? My class is on or off? Somebody, I want somebody's reply. मेरा मोबाइल सामने है, सामने मेरा मोबाइल है. So मोबाइल में मेरा, okay, thank you Anika. Right. So second, the area of each sector. अभी इसको केयरफुली देखेंगे तो क्या होता है, एक एक पार्ट इज वन सेक्टर. दिस इज वन सेक्टर. ओके, दिस इज वन सेक्टर. एरिया ऑफ ईच सेक्टर. टोटल हाउ मेनी सेक्टर्स आर देयर? लेट मी काउंट. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Total 10 sectors are there. So how much we need sector angle? Sector angle जरूरत है 360 degrees divided by 10. 360 degrees divided by 10. So it is equal to 36 degrees. So each sector angle is 36 degrees. Radius we know 35 by 2. Then area of each sector is equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. So in this theta is how much? 36 degrees. Radius is how much? 35. That means 35 by 2. So उसमें से आपको area of each sector भी आ जाएंगे. So first and second. I am not doing it as I have already explained. Try to do by yourself. आपको समझ में नहीं आए तो मैं और एक बार एक्सप्लेन कर सकता हूँ. Okay. So this is question number 8. Okay. So then question number 10. अम्ब्रेला. ये भी मैं एक्सप्लेन करूँगा आपको. एक्सप्लेन करके मैं आपको ये प्रॉब्लम से मैं आज का क्लास मैं बंद करूँगा. सो ये अम्ब्रेला प्रॉब्लम, राइट. अम्ब्रेला 8 रिप्स आर देयर. 8 रिप्स. Same just like previous problem. Previous problem में 5. So 8 rips are there. 1, okay, clean. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 rips. Okay, I will draw only one. I will draw only one part. This is one part. Let us say this is one. Now OAXB is a sector. and it is a cloth also, because it is umbrella, it is a cloth. Like this, total 8 figures are there, 8 sectors are there on the whole. Okay, so radius is how much? 45 centimeters it is given. Now this theta is how much? Because 8 are there, 360 degrees divided by 8, because angle at the center is 360. So 360 divided by 8, okay, 45 degrees. Angle also 45 degrees we got. So find the area between the two consecutive ribs. That means this is you have to find out. This one, this area you have to find out. This is nothing but area of a sector. Area of sector. So area, this is equal to how much? Theta. That means 45 degrees by 360 into pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 35. Oh, sorry, 45. 45 into 45. So this is area of the between two consecutive ribs of the umbrella. Okay, ये very simple. और प्रॉब्लम को अंडरस्टैंड करना है, अंडरस्टैंड करके आपको कॉन्सेप्ट अप्लाई करेंगे तो आ जाएंगे. पूरा चैप्टर में खाली 2 ही फार्मूलाज है. एक एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर, ऑलरेडी वी हैव लर्नड इन लोअर क्लासेस. एरिया ऑफ द सेगमेंट. Okay, area of segment is related to area of a sector. That's why in this 10th class area of sector is also included. I hope you followed me. Please subscribe my channel, share my classes with your friends so that more people will get benefited. If at all, if my timing is not suitable for you, give me some suitable time so that I will shift my online class to that time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.